Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope student you all are well fit and healthy. So student, today take out your books. Open page number 75. So let's do recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So in our previous video student, we are doing the book exercise of the chapter number 14, that is means of transport. Okay, and today date is 14/9/2020. So open page number 75. First question, fill in the blanks using correct option. These are MCQ question. For the one question there are 4 options are given and we have to choose the right answer. So this question we have completed in our yesterday video. So now turn page number 78, 76. Turn page number 76. Now we will start with question number B. Write true or false. Question number B. Write true or false. So what is the first question? First question is, most people travel on land by steamers. Most people travel on land by steamers. So student, question is that most people travel on land by steamers. First of all, the main thing is that there are different mean of transport: land transport, air transport and water transport. So student, steamer is which mean of transport? It is a land mean of transport or air transport or it is a water transport. So student, steamer is a water, used in a water transport, and most people travel on land. So steamer is a mean of water transport. It is not a mean of land transport. Mean of land transports are car, bus, cycle, scooter, motorcycle. Okay, these and even your train also. These are means of land transport. So this statement is false. Let's start with question number 2. Aeroplanes were first designed by the Wright brothers. Aeroplanes aeroplanes were first designed by Wright brothers. Who invented aeroplane? Question is, aeroplane were first designed by Wright brother. Yes student, this is the right answer. First time aeroplane was invented by Wright brothers. This answer is, this statement is true. Note down in your book, because we will solve book exercises in the book and then we write question answers in our classwork copy. So note down book exercise in the book only. Question number third, we travel long distances on foot. So the question is that to move from one place to another and we cover the long distance on foot. While walking we are moving to the distance places. अगर हमें बहुत दूर जाना है बेटा तो हम लोग वॉक करके चले जाते हैं. So it is true? No, it is false. For long distances we go with the train also, we go with aeroplanes also, or we go with the ships also. Is it clear? So this is a false statement. Then question number 4. For road safety we need to follow various rules. So student, for the road safety we need to follow various rules. Yes, this is the true statement. There are many rules which we should follow. ठीक है, रोड सेफ्टी से रिलेटेड बेटा बहुत से रूल हैं जिन्हें हमें फॉलो करना चाहिए. ठीक है, आपके इससे प्रीवियस चैप्टर में मैंने आप लोग को बताया था जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग भी होती है, हाउ यू क्रॉस द रोड with the help of the zebra crossing, and there are many traffic signals are also on the road. So we should follow all these rules. Is it clear? So for road safety we need to follow various rules. This is the right statement. We use ships to travel on the sea. So now what is the question? We use ships to travel on sea. So what is in the sea? Water. And ship is which mean of a transport? Water transport. So student, this is the right statement. We use ships to travel on sea. So this is a right statement because ship is a which mean of a transport? Water transport. So we use ships to travel on sea. Note down in your book. Now see student, after this question number C is given, complete the columns. So here is a list of different means of transport. Write the names in the correct column. We have to write these in the correct column. Air means we are talking about air transport, and water means we are talking about water transport, and land means we are talking about land transport. So student, question number C, there is a list of different means of transport. Write their names in the correct column. Car, car, helicopter, boat, steamer, raft, aeroplane, scooter, train, hot air balloon, so student, see, here is a list of different means of a transport. Different means of a transport, it means which type of a transports are used in land transport, or in air transport, or in water transport. So the list of the means of transport is given in this box, and from this box we will choose the right answer, and we will, first is air means we are talking about air transport, water means we are talking about water transport, and land means we are talking about land transport. So from these means of transport we have to choose the right mean of a transport. For example, first one is air. So car is a air transport? No. Helicopter, yes. Helicopter is a air transport. Then boat. Boat is a water transport. Steamer is also a water transport. Raft is also a mean of water transport. Aeroplane is a mean of air transport. Scooter is mean of land transport. Train again it's means of land transport. Hot air balloon, yes, it is a mean of air transport. Okay, now let choose which are the means of water transport. Car, no. Boat, see, boat is a mean of water transport. Steamer, steamer is the mean of water transport. Next, raft. Raft is also a water transport. Aeroplane, it's a air transport. Scooter, land transport. Train, land transport. Hot air balloon, air transport. Already we have written here. So boat, steamer and raft, these are mean of water transport. Now let's see the land transport. First one is a car. Car is a land transport. Helicopter, air transport. Boat, water transport. Steamer, water transport. Raft, water transport. Aeroplane, air transport. Scooter, yes, this is a land transport. Next, train, yes, this is also a water, this is also a land transport. So question number C we have completed. You note down in your book. These all are mean of air transport, that is helicopter, aeroplane, hot air balloon. And this is a mean of water transport, that is boat, steamer, raft. And this is mean of land transport, that is car, scooter and train. Note down in your book. Now student, question number D. Give short answers to the following question. Now student, all of you take out your classwork copy. Take out your classwork copy. Okay. And note down the first question from the board and then you write the answer. Question answer you will write in classwork copy student. Is it clear? So take out your classwork copy. On the top you will write the date. Left hand side you will write the today date, that is 49/20, chapter number 14. Name of the chapter, means of transport, and also write classwork. And also write classwork. Note down question number 1. Give short answer to the following questions. Question number D. Give short answers. Give short answer to the following questions. Question number 1. Land transport can be two types. What are they? Give some example. Land transport can be of land transport can be of two types. Two types. What are they? Give some examples. Okay. So student, land transport can be of two types. This I have already explained you student. When we are talking about the land transport, it is divided into two parts. Some means of transport which move on the land, and train which move on the track. So train is also a land transport, but land transport means those means of transport which move on land. But land transport is divided into two parts. First one is that which means of transport which are moving on the road. वो मीन ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट बेटा जो रोड पे चलते हैं, जैसे कार है, बस है, स्कूटर है, मोटरसाइकिल है, बाईसाइकिल है, एक्स्ट्रा. And the mean of transport which move or which run on the track, railway track, that is their train. Is it clear? So note down the answer. The two types of land transport are roadways and for examples we are also writing the examples. Roadways means those move on the road. Okay, roadways for example car, bus, auto, bike, extra. Second one is the railways. Second one is the railways. For example, train and metro. मेट्रो ट्रेन भी चलती है बेटा अंडरग्राउंड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ट्रेन एंड मेट्रो. मेट्रो ट्रेन. नोट डाउन. Note down the second answer. Name the different means of transport. Question number 2. Name the different name the different means of transport. Man, man uses for traveling. So three different means of transport are land transport, air transport and water transport. First one, land transport. Okay, land transport, for example, car, buses, trucks, trains, etc. Second one is water transport. Water transport, for example, ships, steamer, boats, raft. Third one, third one is the air transport. For example, aeroplanes, aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon, airships, next one. Okay, thank you student.